Hello everyone. Welcome to StudyTube. In this video, I will do the current affair of 24th of January. So let's start immediately the current affair of 24th of January. So the first question is recently which state CM has launched Avlokan software? So recently Avlokan software has been launched by Karnataka government. So final answer of this question will be Karnataka government. By the way, Karnataka, the capital of Karnataka is Bangalore, which is also known as Garden City of India. In Karnataka, there are many national parks like as Bandipur National Park, Kudremukh National Park, Nagarhole National Park, Ansi National Park, etc. In Karnataka, there is folk dance is performed like the folk dance is Yachagan. The Karnataka CM is B.S. Yediyurappa and the governor of Karnataka is Vajubhai Wala. Yachagan is famous folk dance. Sorry, famous Yachagan is famous folk dance of Karnataka. So these are also extra fact related to Karnataka that worth remembering. So the next question number second. Seven countries including Iran have lost the right to vote in which organization? So seven countries including Iran have lost the right to vote in United National General Assembly. So the answer of this question is A, United National General Assembly. By the way, United National General Assembly, the chief of United General Assembly is Volkan Vojkar. He is from Turkey and he is 25th President of United National General Assembly. The next question number third is who will inaugurate the first child accessible police station of Uttarakhand? So child accessible police station of Uttarakhand will be inaugurated by Trivendra Singh Rawat. He is also Chief Minister of Uttarakhand and the Governor of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat. In Uttarakhand, there are many festivals are celebrated like as Harela, Ganga Dasahara, etc. In Uttarakhand, there are many national parks like as Valley of Flower, Raja Jain National Park, Nanda Devi National Park, Jim Corbett National Park, so etc. So these are also extra fact related to Uttarakhand that worth remembering. So the next question number fourth is who has recently got the status of Google Cloud Partner? So recently Infosys will be the correct answer. Infosys has recently got the status of Google Cloud Partner. Infosys CEO is Salil Parekh. CEO of Infosys is Salil Parekh. So the next question number 5. Which state has recently launched food step delivery program to supply ration to general public? So by the government of Andhra Pradesh recently has launched full step delivery program to supply ration to general public. So answer of this question will be Andhra Pradesh. The Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is Y.S. Jagmohan Reddy and Governor of Andhra Pradesh is Sri Vishwa Bhushan Harichandran. In Andhra Pradesh, there are many festivals are celebrated like as Vishakha, Srivari, Brahmotsav, etc. In Andhra Pradesh, there is famous classical dance of Andhra Pradesh is Kuchi Pudi, which are frequently asked in various one-day examination. The next question number 6 is which book has won the Capital Business Book Prize for 2020? So recently the book is first option A Big Billion Startup, the Untold Story Flipkart. This book has won the Capital Business Book Prize for 2020 by the Flipkart. The Flipkart CEO is Kalyan Krishnamurthy and it was founded by Sachin Bansal and Bini Bansal. So the next question number 7 is who has been appointed the new ambassador of India to ASEAN Secretariat? So recently Jayant Khabragad Jayant Khabragade has been recently appointed the new ambassador of India to ASEAN Secretariat. ASEAN stands for Southeast Association of Southeast Asian Nation. ASEAN, the headquarter of ASEAN is in Indonesia, Jakarta, and the foundation year of ASEAN is 1967. So the answer of this question is Jayant Khobragade is the final answer. So the next question number 8 is, which company has acquired Fitbit company? So recently, final answer of this question, Google. Google has recently acquired Fitbit company. So Google, by the Google's parents company is Alphabet, and the CEO of Alphabet is, and Google is Sundar Pichai, and Google is founded by Jerry Page in 1998. So the next question number 9, which state's police academy has become the best police academy in the country? In the country, the first the f- in the country, the best police academy in the country is Rajasthan. Rajasthan State's Police Academy has become the best police academy in the country, and the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur, and there are many national parks in Rajasthan, like as Sariska National Park, Mukundra Hill National Park, Kevala Dev National Park, Ranthambore National Park. The Chief Minister of Rajasthan is Ashok Gehlot, and the Governor of Rajasthan is Kalraj Mishra. So these are also main facts related to Rajasthan that is worth remembering. The next question number 10. A street in Andrewsganj in Southeast Delhi has been renamed after which Bollywood actor? So recently, Sushant Singh Rajput. Answer of this question, Sushant Singh Rajput. So after Sushant Singh Rajput's a street in Andrewsganj, Southeast Delhi has been renamed after a Bollywood actor, Sushant Singh Rajput. So the answer of this question is Sushant Singh Rajput. By the way, Sushant Singh Rajput, the last movie of Sushant Singh Rajput is Dil Bechara. So in Southeast Delhi, Andrewsganj has a street the named after the name of the renamed of that gully, that street is Sushant Singh Rajput. So the next question number 11, which country has again joined Paris Climate Agreement? So recently, America will be the final answer. America has again joined the Paris Climate Agreement. America's capital is Washington DC, and the currency is dollar. Recently, America America's new president is 46th president is Joe Biden, and vice president of America is Kamala Harris. The party is Democratic Party, and the party symbol is donkey. The next question number 12, and the final question of question number second last 12 question. Recently, SEBI has imposed a fine of rupees 1 crore on which bank? So recently SEBI has imposed a 1 crore fine on HDFC Bank. So final answer of this question is HDFC Bank. So recently SEBI has imposed a fine of rupee 1 crore on HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank was founded in 1994, and the CEO of HDFC Bank is Sashidhar Jagnishan, and the headquarter of HDFC Bank is Mumbai. So the next question number 3, what is the name of military exercise which will include the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force and Coast Guard? So all Indian Navy, Indian Army, Air Force and Coast Guard will participate in this exercise. So the military exercise is Kavach. So first option will be correct, Kavach. A option will be correct of this question. By the way, here Indian Army Chief is Mukund Narawane, and Air Force Chief is Rakesh Kumar Bhadauria. The Navy Chief is Karambir Singh, and Coast Guard Chief is K. Natarajan. So all chiefs are also have to remember it. So the next question. So friend, that was the current affair of 24th of January. And last, there is a quiz, and the answer of this quiz, you will have to answer of this quiz in comment box. So the question is, who is the vice president of America? And answer of this question you will have to write in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. So friends, like my videos and subscribe to Maximum, and press the bell icon to get notification time to time. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you the next video of 25th of January. So thank you friends.